What I love about it is they have a meeting on Monday and it is detailed. I mean, there are a few guys on this call that I don't have their names down yet. There's one guy I know for sure, and I'll say it. His name is Ryan. Brilliant. The other people I don't have yet, but yesterday we had a call and they were just giving some fantastic information. But what I also love is they're giving me a coach. Who does that? This guy gave me his phone number, his email, messenger. Anytime you want me, I'm here for you. And you can't get that anywhere. I mean, that stuff is valuable. Um, so I felt that it's like trying to go run a McDonald's and they say, here's the keys, you're on your own. Why would I want that? I need a coach. I need somebody. So this is why this is so attractive to me. Your investment is not going to go wasted. It's not another shiny object. It's not going to let you down. I feel that the value is there. I feel that all they want to do is to give you the success. The only reason why they charge that, I feel, in my own estimation, is because they have to cover cost. They're not here to give out things because the ones who are strong are going to survive. And so if you're willing to pay that, you're going to put the time in. But if you're not able to put in the time, then, well, there's no loss. Thank you very much, and we'll be on our way. And that's just part of life. So that's where I think, for me, that's what worked well. And also, I just think that because the company works off of our deals, and that's where they make their money. So if they're coaching us well, then obviously, they're going to make money off of it. So it's going to work hand in hand.